Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is part two. I didn't really mean to make a second one because I really didn't do any help on the first one. But a viewer, subscriber, and that's what and gave me a suggestion. That's what I love about YouTube. We all can learn from each other. We're going to put this on a coaster anyway. Whoop. And I would have really never dreamed that this would work. Let's make it a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key to have it grow inward. I'm going to make that circle white. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back of Page. Now my yellows needs to go to the back of page. So I must have already had one there. He's engraving, or he's going to engrave this on black slate. So everything that's black is going to engrave, everything that white isn't. When really, it needs to make sure it's an RGB black, white, and I would still test it. But here's kind of the key. Select it all, go up to Effects, Transform, and Invert Colors. Look at that. So the coaster, and he even suggested that, make sure you, if your coaster is 4 inches, make this like 4.1. So it will engrave the coaster gray, and everything that is white will be black from the coaster. I love it. I love the tip. I would have never thought about, I couldn't reverse the colors, but this reverses the color. So it's going to make life easy, say like on this new one that I did not do. We got some white there. Let's take this out of the way. Let's just make sure it works, because it's just a clip art. We're going to take that and draw an ellipse, and I'd go ahead and draw it whatever size you need it to be, and then you could size your Jeep inside there, and then just make that circle white. Then go and take it and go to Object and Order and Back of Page. Take the yellow, and I'm only using the yellow so we can see it. Let's see if this works. My Jeep's not really in the center, but you could play around with that. Let's make my yellow box a little bit bigger. Then just grab the two items and Effects, Transform, Invert Colors. Wow. So now everything's going to engrave away except for the tire tracks on the Jeep are going to engrave, that, but all the white isn't going to be washed out because it's black. I really wanted to kind of try this maybe later this weekend on a piece of, I don't have slate, but I've got black granite tile. That's pretty cool, especially this one. I think this one's actually better. This one has a lot of white that doesn't have any definition. But so everything that is black is going to engrave on the slate gray. And you might even be able to do the ones I tried to do yesterday that I didn't do, like the ones that are in the mountains. I'd be curious. I might try that later. Anyway, thank that person for making that suggestion and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.